Do you know that the Mediterranean Shipping Company, MSC, owns all of the current largest container ship by 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, capacity? Let's explore the top 5 giants ruling the seas. At number 1, MSC Irina. This behemoth can carry 24,346 containers and measures nearly 400 meters long. Tied for the top spot is MSC Loreto, with the same staggering capacity of 24,346 TEUs. These ships are engineering marvels. At number 3, MSC Tessa. With a capacity of 24,116 TEUs, it's one of the largest workhorses on the water. Number 4 is MSC Celestino Maresca. Another giant carrying 24,116 TEUs, redefining global trade. And at number 5, MSC Met. Also with 24,116 TEUs, these mega ships ensure goods keep moving worldwide. These incredible ships power global trade like never before. Subscribe for more such amazing content.